Kung kasama ka naman internet. Yes, thanks God. Amen. Amen. Ay, thanks God. Naka-live din. Naka-live din sa wakas. Thanks God, everyone. Thank you. May galab shoutout. Naayos. Mr. Jadin Lalab, Migalab shout out. Mr. Jadin. Ayan. Lalab, thank you so much. Migalab shout out, everyone. Mr. Jadin Lalab.
서울 에디션 23.
Saliram Gamer Lalab, Migalab shout out. Saliram. Ayan, thank you so much my friend Saliram. Thank you. Good afternoon. I'm watching from Japan. Japanese friend Lalab Migalab shout out. Ayan, good afternoon everyone. 5 million Migalab shout out. I love you being a criminal who eats pizza too. Ayan. How are you, Takuluko? You missed me yesterday. I didn't alive. Because my connection yesterday is not good. It's very poor. Ayan, my friend Japanese nagbaba ng bay. Lablabin natin mga lalab. Mega love shout out. I miss you everyone. I love pizza ano. Ang Takuluko, if you want, you can send me pizza here. Send me pizza. I'm eating pizza right now. Yes. You only eating. You are not sharing your food. I want to eat also ano, Takuluko. $5 million and ano, Takuluko, don't forget to like my live, Takuluko. Every time you come on my live, you're not make thumbs up my live, my live. You should to thumbs up my friend. It means you are supporting to me. Kuku. One plant cloud serpent. Oh my God. Takuluko, this is new, your channel? This one is your channel, Takuluko. Fergan Lalab Migalab, shout out my friend. Takuluko, that is your channel? You have 3 subscriber? Takuluko, one plant cloud serpent. Just connect to me, lalabs. Just subscribe. No, I find it. Shohada. I connect. That one is not yours. Why you are, showing to me that one? I think that's yours. Fargan Lalab, Migalab, shout out. Ayan. How you doing, Os? Doing good, Lalab. And how about you, my friend? Ayan, 8 million, Migalab, shout out. 8 million. Lablabin na 8 million. Magbaba kayo ng mga bayan dyan, mga lalab. Maglablaban po kayo dyan. Ayan. Fargan, my friend, thank you. Maglablaban, mga lalas, maglablaban. Pwede po kayong magbaba ng inyong mga bahay dyan, mga lalabs, at magdikitan, maglablaban. Magsuklian, mga lalabs. SSC, Takulok, I already watched Lalab and I subscribe. And I connect already, Takuloko, and you told me that one is not yours. Why you're dropping that link? Only 3 subscribers. Kuya Marky TV, magandang hapon, host. Kuya Marky Lalab, Migalab, shout out. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Ayan si SSC, lablabin natin, nagbaba ng bahay, mga lalabs, lablabin. Eileen Squasit, if you want to learn how to dance. Yes, Lalab, no problem. I'm gonna watch it. I got a copyright strike. How can I remove it? You can, Lalab. You can mute. You mute, Lalab. You click that one, you will see there's there. Description. You can read this one. Then you put, mute. You mute that one so that copyright will gone. That one is not totally copyright, lalab, because I think you are using the song, the music from other what call of this, I forgot why I will tell. You can mute my friend for God. That one is not not copyright totally. 8 million, mega love shoutout, good afternoon, host. Lablabin, maglablaban mga lalabs. Six million, mega love shoutout, 6 million for tamsak everyone. Don't forget to like my live. Ayan. Thank you, everyone. Good afternoon, Philippines. Why I am loading? What happened to my internet? Please connect each other, mga lalabs, not only dropping link. How it will grow your your banana if you're not connecting with others. No, I find it. Okay, lalab, no problem. You can find it. That one is nice editing, lalabs. That's not real. How you doing, Huz? People are scared to open my link. I don't know why. No, they are not scared. You should to connect with them. Then after that, you can shout out. Then after that, they will connect it to you and they will see your video Takuluku. Tako, share my live, lalab, to your friends. Tako, you can share it my live so that your friend will see my live. Madam Dimple Sakura Vlog, Migalab, shout out po, madam. Hello po. Ayan. Hello po sa iyo, madam. Kumusta ka na po? Migalab, shout out. Tamsak ho. Salamat po sa patamsak. Bakit parang ang hina ng ating wifi? Tak Arlinsky, watch this video if you want to learn how to dance. Tamsakan natin si Madam Sakura. Meron siyang upcoming live. 3 p.m. later on. Ang daming tao sa iyong live, Madam. Joms TV, Dan. Ayan, host. Joms Lalab, Migalab, shout out. Bigyan natin ng jacket yan. I got copyright strike. How can I remove it? Ulit-ulit yung aking basa. My computer is the message is too late. Lalab, Jom 76. Meron ka ng moderator, Lalab. Thank you. What? I try to share your channel on Barbie channel. She blocked me. Why? It's not good to block you, Takuluko. No, don't do that, Takuluko. Don't come other live. Maybe you come other live, then you drop my link. Is not good, lalab. Of course, the owner of that live, of course, they will block you because you disturb that one. You share with your your YT. Leave it, Takuloko. Maybe they don't like you. Maybe they don't like you, lalab. That's why they block you. Leave it, lalab. No problem for me. But thank you for sharing my live. Takuluko. You're my friend, very supportive. Even sometimes you make crazy to me. Dimple. Lablabin, lablabin. Shinare daw niya, blinak siya mga lalabs. Saklap. Lablabin natin, patamsak po, tamsakan natin si Madam Dimple sa kura mga lalabs. Leave it, no problem. At least you did your, part. Thank you, Taku. 8 million mega live shout out. Mga lablabin natin si, Madam, Dimple, sakin natin yan. Ilan ba lalab? Tingnan nga natin kung nakadikit. Tingnan ko lalab ha. Sino ba yung bahay mo? Lalab Jomar. Wala ko lalab bago eh. At na lang lalab kung gusto mo sa mo na lang member. Lalab kung meron kang member pwede tayong mag-barter. Ayan yung nakapin. I love disturbing. That's why they block you Takuloko, because you disturb them. Maybe you come there, then you drop my link. Then the host there, they check your link that you are dropping, then they show them. Then after that, they angry to you because you're dropping my live. It's not good, my friend. That's why they block you. No problem, Libet, Takuloko. Don't say bad lalab is not good. Ayan. 4 million mega love shout out mga lalab. Maglablaban tayong lahat mga lalab. Magbaba kayo ng mga bahay nyo dyan. Magdikitan tayo mga lalabs. Hi, host. Carlos Miguel, how are you, my friend? Don't say bad, ha? You are my friend. 6 million mega love shout out. Maybe they don't like you. That's why they block me. No. Because you drop my link on other live. That's why. But for me, lalabs, even you drop, maybe sometimes somebody come on my live, then drop they drop the link. Me, I will not block. I will not block them, and I will tell only why you are dropping. Hi, how are you? From Carlos Miguel, I am good, lalabs. How about you, my friend? Carlos Miguel, what did you do on Ara channel? She said she blocked you. You ask them, this one Taco Loco is a supportive friend of Ara. I know that one what he did to Ara. Why the YT channel, maybe if the owner of this one, YouTube problem. Maybe her channel will shut down. It's not good. Kuya Marky TV, nagbaba ng bay. Lablabin natin mga lalab, Kuya Marky. Lablabin natin mga lalab, lablabin. She said she was scared. Yeah, I know that one, Takulog ko. I know. Ara is so scared to maybe that one is problem for her channel. That's why she's scared. Maybe the YT will demonetize her channel is not good. It's problem for her. 6 million mega love shout out. Palablab mga lalab, palablab, magbaba ng mga bahay. Parang napakahina ng ating wifi, ay panay-ikot. Fargan Lalags. Did you block Carlos? No, I didn't block. No, Takuloko. She did not wrong to me. She did not do wrong. Maybe only for Ara. He has a dirty video on his channel. I didn't check her channel, his channel, Takuluko. Ayan, 3 million Miguel shout out. I love disturbing. He has a dirty video. No problem, ano, I didn't check her channel. $5 million Miguel Love shout out. Ailenski, do you like fat people? Yeah, it's okay. Why ano, Takuluko, you are fat? Because you are eating too much pizza. $5 million, Mega Love, shout out 5 million mga lalabs. Maglablaban tayo dyan mga lalab, magdikitan. Do I do exercise every day? I will post video. Okay, lalab. Do ano? Do. Do it, lalabs. It means you are fat. Do it, my friend Takuluko, no problem, lalabs. I will check. I will see. I will watch. I don't like fat girls. They stink and eat all my food. I'm not fat. I don't like fat girls. They stink and eat all my food. Don't give her food. Suwada. Biyahe Rob, padikit hus. From Biyahe Rob. Lala Biyahe Rob, may galab shout out. Padikit. Ayan, dikitan natin si Biyahe Rob, mga lalabs. Biyahe, nagbaba ng bahay, lablabin mga lalab. Biyahe Rob. Lablabin natin 71 ka pa lang lalabs. Biyahe Rob. Nandito ka ba Biyahe Rob? Bakit ka umalis agad? Biyahe Rob. 71 ka pa lang. Biyahe Rob, nandito ka pa ba lalabs? Biyahe Rob, nandito ka pa? Wala na si Biyahe Rob. Ayaw mo lalab ng ano? Banana. $4 million Mega Love shout out, 4 million. 10 thumbs up, thank you so much. Biyahe Rob, once again, if you are still here. Ayan, 3 million Mega Love shout out. Rob, nandito ka ba? Biyahe ni Rob. Wala na lang, bakit ka lalab umalis? Kim Kat, Mega Love shout out, Kim Kat PH. Ayan si Kim Kat, nagbaba ng bahay. Lablabin natin mga lalab. Kim Kat. Malaki rin yung bahay ni Kim Kat. 2.k. Biyahe ni Rob, wala ka na lalabs. Umalis na si biyahe ni Rob. Hindi ka man lalab nag-stay para nabigyan ka ng banana. I don't like banana. I like banana lalabs. I love banana. Thumbs up dan, Mega Love shout out. If you other stream you said you hate banana when I ask you question. I like banana, lalab. Who don't like banana? I like banana, no? Diyan ang mix vlog, lalab, migalab, shout out, tamsak, host. Ayan, lalab, migalab, shout out. Lalab, salamat sa iyong patamsak, lalabs. Kim Kat PH, Dan, from Janang Mix Vlog. Kim Kat, lalab, pasuklan na lang si Janang lalabs. Ailinski, do you like orange? Yeah, I like orange, lalab. This is, healthy fruits. This is vitamin C. Takuluko. That is vitamin C, lalabs. Plus 11 plus 8 plus 5 plus 3. Ailinski, are there a lot of porn stars in the Philippines? No, there's no porn here, lalab. Maybe the other country here, no. No porn star, lalab. La 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 la. DTS Lalabs, how are you? DTS Lalab, mega love shout out, my dear Lalab, thank you so much. Baltog channel Lalab, mega love shout out, Baltog. Tusok Lalab, salamat sa patusok mo Baltog. Mga lalab, palablab naman ako nakapin mga lalab, yung aking number dyan. Ayan, si Baltog channel nagbaba ng bahay. Lablabin natin mga lalab, ayan, DTS Orkes, lablabin natin. Baltog channel. Ang laki pala ng bahay ni Baltog, nag-uuling ang pobre. Ang laki ng bahay mo lalab, Baltog Dati pala tayong dikit, Baltog. Maliit lang ho, 7.15 na laki yan lalabs. Baltog, baka meron ka Baltog, mga extra banana Baltog. Barter tayo lalabs. Ay, palablab ako nakapin mga lalab DTS Orkes, yung aking member. $15 like harang mamo. Salamat po Sir Nel, mega love shout out. May may live ka Sir Nel. Salamat po Sir Nel sa palike po, salamat. Mega love shout out. Congratulations lalabs. Na-receive mo na yung Google pin mo. Congrats lalab. Sisweldo ka na kay YT. Maliit lang os, 15 like. Ayan, Sir Nel, meron kang nga mamaya, live. Terence pala. Sir Nel, maraming salamat po sa paharang po, Sir Nel. God bless po. Miguel love, shout out everyone. Kanta ka, Ma'am Hos. Ano, Sir, Nel, masakit yung lalamunan ko ngayon, kaya hindi ako nakanta. Sir Nel, sakit po yung aking lalamunan. Saka na po ako kakanta pag okay na. Danarang from Sir Nel. Nasobra na ako sa Sir Nel, malamig. Ayan, lalab ninya na kulangga. Nagbaba ng bayalab-labing natin mga lalabs. Ayan, Madam Ninya, nakita ko yung post mo, lalabs. What did the five finger to the face slap? I hate you. Then pluck. Kate in Pamblag, mega love shout out host. Lalab Kate, mega love shout out lalab. Kumusta ka na lalabs? Ayan, 7 million mega love shout out. May live ka mamaya, Sir Nel? Mamaya mangisda ko yung pinangisda ko nakaraan sa kay sa'yo, kinain. Hello po, Kuya Nel Moto Vlog. From Kate, Kate and Pam Vlog. Okay lang naman, salamat. I drink Coca-Cola right now. Give me Coca-Cola, Taco Loco, you're always too much eating. That's why you are become fat. Taco Loco, good afternoon from Lil Kate and Fam Vlog. Islands Kids Coca-Cola haram for halal. It's not haram. Muslim people, they are drinking Coca-Cola. Halal. Halal. Taco, it's halal lalabs. But this one, Arabic people, they are called Bipsi. Because they don't speak silent P. They don't know how to speak letter P. The P for there is B. B. They doesn't know how to speak P. That's why they call Baba. Papa, Bipsy, like that. You know, one time before I was working in UAE, the one local lady, because I work there, that location, they told me, "Hi Eileen, can you buy for me one Bipsy?" Bipsy? What? I was thinking, what Bipsy? I'm too much thinking, what Bipsy? When I called that lady, they said, "Bipsy, you don't know Bipsy? Bipsy, you go grocery, then you buy Bipsy?" I'm not fat no more. I used to weigh 226 pounds. I did a lot of exercise. Now I weigh 196 pounds. I lost 30 pounds. It's good, Takuluku. It's good, Lalab. Fat people is not good. Maybe you getting blood pressure, Dinson problem. 7 million Megalab shout out. Megalab shout out. Lalab, GMO TV, Lalab, Megalab shout out. Thank you so much. DTS Orcas. Ayan pala, nakapin mga lalabs. Nakapin po tayo mga lalabs. DTS my friend, thank you. GMO TV, you have 821 lalabs. Nakadikit ka na sa akin, Lalab. JMO TV, 821. Dikitan mo yan, Lalab, si Sernel Motovlog. Marami ding tao dyan, mga lalabs, nag-aayuda yan. Dito, ang laki pala ng bahay mo, yung isa pala, hindi totoo yun. 12.7K. Ang laki pala ng bahay ni Sir, ni Sir JMO TV. Dalawa pala yung account mo, yung isa maliit pa. Coca-Cola, yan. JMO, thanks, my dear, from DTS Orcas. Ayan, ang laki ng kanyang bahay, mga lalabs. Nasa 12K. Sang bansa ka po ba, Sir GMO? Nakain ka ng biryani? Hindi niya nakuga. Ailenski, you should have told a Pepsi bitch and hung up the phone. So bad. Ayan, 5 million, 18 tamsak. Dimple Sakura, mega love shout out. Ailenski, do you still eat pork? No. No, Lalab, no. Ailinski, I buy you baby pig as pet on your birthday. Shuada. Where, how you will give to me? You don't know my birthday, ano, Takuluko. Kinig lang biglang akyat, bisor ko. Sige lang po, Sir Nel. Sige lang po. Sige lang, Sir Nel po. Si Million, mega live shout out. Inom lang ako mga lalab ng water, ha? Inom lang siyos ng tubig. Ayan, 5 million mega love shout out mga lalabs. Sir Nel, thank you Sir Nel. Punta ko mamaya sa live mo. If your boyfriend is monkey, is that haram? Sure, the no monkey, no. No, ano takulo ko? What is this? Na bangkero. When I was 14, my friend name was Monkey. She was girl. Really? Your ano, friend, Monkey girl. Yes, she looks like you. Oh, really? JM OTV. Else you see me train, I'm going to beat up your boyfriend. Kung ano nung naisip nito. I already saw Lalabs. This one train with a dog. I already saw. I'm done watching, my friend. The video you are shared to me, I already watched. I'm get mad. Why? Don't get mad, Lalab is not good. Don't get mad, Lalab. I'm going to get super mad. No. Don't get super mad. Not good. What happened to you? You didn't sleep? Don't get mad. Takuluku. Abaw Lalab, Miguel Love shout out. Abaw HKTV. Don't get mad, Lalab. Takuluk, I will shoot you. I have gun here. Abaw HK Lalab, thank you so much. Miguel Love shout out to you. Tako na naluko on the way, my friend. Tako na nalukod. Tako na naluko. On the way, my friend. Nagagalit si Takuluko sa akin. Tako na naloko pa on the way na. The King, lalabing gilabing the King. Si Ed Scarky to. Si Ed Scarky yan. Account na Ed Scarky. Ayan si The King nagbaba ng bahay mga lalab. Lablabin natin The King. The King. Ayan si Abaw nagbaba ng bahay. Abaw. Abaw lalab. Ako lalab ha. Busy train. Ayan lalab Abaw. Nasa bahay mo ako lalab. Traffic tram Hong Kong. Dan watching lalab dito sa Abaw ha. Dan watching lalab Abaw. Tako naluko. Short video mo yan lalabs yung train. BTS my friend. Taku, luko-luko ka talaga. Dan not to you, my friend. Luko-luko talaga yan, Abaw. Matagal na. Ayan, lalabo. Yung train mo. Ay, hindi pala to train, bus na malaki. Luko-luko talaga yan, ano, Sir Abaw. Yan si The King, nagbaba ng bahay. The King, The King. 23. 18. The King Cobra on the way, my friend. Antok ka na, pikit-pikit na mata mo. Kantok lalad, tangali kasi. Anong oras dito? 1:54. Antok ako lalads. Makakatulog na ako, abaw. May na yung ating connection. Ay, lalabo, malaki na yung mata ko. Malaki na lalabo, oh. Antok si Ost. Ano yan si Eds Karkian, yung ano, The King. Gisong na si Elia. Turog. Gisong. Siya nagkarga. Hatudo yan. Hindi na akong matapos. Abaw lalab. Sabay mo ako lalaba. Sa bas na matangkad. Ay matangkad, mataas. Hello everyone, nice to meet you everyone. Hag, happy together. Ayan, happy together. Lisongson, my friend, how are you? Abaw, meron ako lalab, ano, follow naman lalab, merong FB page lalab. Nagre-reels ka ba, Abaw? Nagre-reels ka rin ba? Abaw lalabs. Wag na nga. 4 million mega love shout out. Ayan, 22 some thumbs up. Please support. Hanggang to lang po kasi yung live ko. Ayan everyone, Sir Abaw, thank you so much. Takuluko, bye-bye. Sir GMO TV. Ayan, thank you so much sa mga nag-support sa akin mga lalab. See you tomorrow, bye-bye.